Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, looking at the oscillators, we are extremely tired and overbought. We've got some massive results coming through today. So today you do have Alphabet, both Alphabet companies. You've got Microsoft and Apple, and then you have Visa as well. So that's a sizable chunk of the market cap in the S&P, just in those 5 stocks. So what does that mean? Quite simply, if every single one of them have stellar results coming out, it's going to push this index higher. It'll push the Nasdaq higher as well. And if they have some really shoddy results coming through, obviously it's going to influence the index to the downside. So what that basically means is that most investors at the moment are sitting on their hands, waiting for those results to come out, waiting for a turnaround Tuesday, can we call it? Potentially. We'll have to wait and see if that plays out tomorrow. But anyway, at the moment, I think we pulled back onto structure. We closed above the 43.94 area, and we bounced off it. So 4,400 was the target that we've always been aiming for. That has been tagged, and we're now hovering around it at the moment. So obviously, I would like to see a pullback. I'd like to see some structure, and there are 2 areas that I would be interested in at the moment. The first one for a quick smallish trade would be 4394. One that would give me a little bit more value would be 4364. Now, if we start running down through the time frames, you can see this channel has continued. So we do have this trend line here. Now, we did look at that yesterday, and the pullback was onto it yesterday, and then we basically abort off that trend line. At the moment, a little bit of divergence forming on the 3-hour. There's a high, new high, high, low. And if you look at the oscillators, that looks like they're starting to round. But what we're looking for is we're looking for them to round below this 80 line. So just to cross over the 80, and you can see what happened after that. So if there is going to be a sell-off or any sort of minor correction, that is what I would expect to transpire. At the moment, I suspect we are more than likely going to be sideways until after the market. The influence that those stocks are going to have on this index is massive. I can't see anybody trying to second guess it. However, there will always be somebody that knows something. So, if there is any kind of funny that's coming out in those companies' results, somebody will know what's going on, and somebody will be trading that information that they have. Just bear that in mind. So at the moment, we are flirting with the previous high, and this was the high from from Friday. You see, we haven't really cleared it. We closed above it yesterday, but now we're sort of hovering around on it. So watch the hour. You can see the hour's already rolled over. Oscillators coming back to downside, and you can see there's something like this with a pin bar off a bit of structure, or close to structure, should I say, because that structure wasn't exact. It kind of came to this level here. But anything like that, you're looking for an opportunity to buy into it. That's kind of the view that I've got. This is long until it's not. It's buy the dips, and the next logical target will be 4,500, then 4,600. Those are the next 2 levels, and I think 4,600, there's quite a bit of merit for that to be tagged sometime soon, just with different strategies and different measured moves that are in play right now. Okay, so anyway, for me, that is sit on hands, wait to see what these results bring, and then we will see if we can get a trade. My advice, if you are looking to trade and you feel the need for trading today, then get onto the 15-minute, get your levels drawn in, and you can see the 15-minute level. There was the 15-minute level right there. Price came past it, which validated it, came past it again, which validated again, and that was your level. So 50-minute is the way to go as far as I'm concerned. You've got lots of tails here which you can use as levels. What you're looking for is structure, and structure is engulfing bars. There's an engulfing bar there. There's an inside bar. There's the next bit of structure, and then you're looking for pin bars. There hasn't been really any pin bars recently. There's some pin bars there. Okay, so those are the three bits of price action that I look for, and I look for that off a level. At the moment, this is not a level. Level is more than likely down here. It hasn't tagged it, so this is 44.14 or 4400 will probably be the level, and then you're going to carry your stop as close to the structure that you're trading as possible. Okay, anyway guys, that's it from me. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.